Morning, everybody. It's 8:33 on this Monday morning, the 26th of February, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 2085. Okay, well, Asia slightly higher, Europe slightly lower. Not much going on in the actual futures markets. At 7:30, the Dow was down 20. Nasdaq down 4, S&P down 3. Right now, the Dow is up 18. And let's see what else we have here on the future side. Um, Nasdaq has turned slightly higher, and the S&P is gone from -3 to +3. So really not much. And frankly, there's not much news around. There's no economic news until 10 o'clock, which is just consumer confidence, and that's it for the day. The chart here on the screen is the nat gas, and we had a great trade, 185% trade on the first half of the UNG calls, and it looks like, I was a little concerned if you saw my note in this morning's letter about the fact that we've seen these little spikes here and there, and they've been followed by moves back down. But today, after closing down at 169.9, this morning we're 182.6 again. So if we come out of this, I think there's going to be some real short covering. There was some last week, but not really appreciable. Uh, and frankly, I was kind of surprised. Okay, grains are mixed to lower. Oil is down 12 cents. As I said, nat gas is up 12 cents. Gold is down 7.5. Silver is down 38 cents. Copper is down almost 4 cents. That's a fairly substantial move. Cotton up, coffee up, sugar up. Uh, the dollar is slightly lower as bonds are slightly higher. And Bitcoin, after dipping down the end of last week, this morning up 220, and Ethereum up more substantially than that, 108. 108 on that is probably about just about 3.5%. 250 on 52,000 is only 0.5%. Excuse me. And as I said, the bonds are up 6. I want to take a look at the stocks in the news today. ServiceNow and NVIDIA expand relationship. ServiceNow was, up 0.2%. Alcoa buying Illumina. That one is down 86 cents. Telephone giving $5 to everyone in their network uh, for the down outage last week. Excuse me. Li Auto, which is a huge deal in China, they beat, but they missed on revenues, and they guided Q1 below analyst expectations, and the stock is still 38.03, up 323, or 9.3%. Domino's beat. The stock is 467, up 33 and change, or 7.7. They missed on revenues and they raised their dividend. Um, Berkshire, fourth quarter results, stock is up 2%. Moderna, which had a big week last week on their surprise profit, down $1.61, down to 94.85. Salesforce gets a price hike from Jeffries to 350 from 3.25. Earnings coming on Wednesday. That one's 269 and change, up almost 4. And Walmart starts trading today at 58.83, and that's up 3 cents. This is the split stock, 3 for 1 as of today. We also, of course, have Amazon going into the Dow. today that should be pretty interesting because we're taking, Dow is price weighted, and we're taking a 20 odd dollar stock and replacing it with $120 stock. So be a little more erratic, possibly. Teva in a deal to market a new drug in China with a partner there. We've been long that one since $8 and change, and right now it's trading at 13.52. We did write against it. The week before last, wrote the 13s for a half a dollar, so we're about even on that trade. And if we lose it, I think we generate something like a 45% profit. And uh, LUNR. I mentioned this one last week. It's Intuitive Machines. The symbol LUNR should give you a hint. This is the company that put the um, unmanned rover on the moon. The stock moved essentially from a low of about 3.5 to a high last week of 13 and change. Closed on Friday up at 9.59. This morning is trading 7.11, down $2.48, or just under 26%, on the news that their lander fell over. I'm pretty sure that wasn't a high wind issue, but so it's down about 25, 26%. They say they put out a press release saying that it is still functional. But there's nobody there to stand it upright, so I guess it's going to have limited success. Okay, by the way, tonight after the close, we have earnings from Zoom, Workday, Unity Software, iRobot, and um, Car Guru. So I'll be back later. Hope everyone had a good day. And if this nat gas really starts to move here, let me just show it to you again. It's up almost 13 cents now. We can get back into this area of resistance where the down facing 20-day moving averages, that's up around $1.86. The high last week was $1.87.7. But if we get through that, and as you can see, the 5-day has turned up, we could be up here at 210. All right, folks, have a good day.